Hey everyone, how are you today? I just wanted to pop on and tell you about a book that my mother wrote. This book is called Prayers Shooting Up to Heaven and can be found on Amazon for a very reasonable price. When writing this book, she started in Genesis and went all the way to Revelations, finding every prayer throughout the entire Bible. So, here's what it looks like. Prayers Shooting Up to Heaven by Vicki Wilson. It has prayers for protection. It has prayers for safe journeys, praying for your friends, praying for your family, all kinds of Psalms. Prayers, there's a ton in Psalms. So anyways, this book, I believe, is very vital to your life. If you are somebody who is new as a Christian and doesn't know a lot about prayer, this will help you a lot. Also, if you're a longtime Christian, but yet you really don't know all the prayers that are in the Bible and you don't know where to search and find them all, this has been done for you. So, like I said, this entire book is nothing but every single prayer in chronological order of the Bible from Genesis to Revelations. Let's see. Don't let the devil have another minute of your life.
This year for Christmas I want available.
I know there's prayers in here for your prodigals. Let's see. Prayers as a single woman. There's also in here, my mother gives some testimonies throughout here when a prayer is something that she used in our family's life. And then there's intercession for your friends, and it has a whole prayer out. It's got the different places that you put your friend's name or even a family member. Let's see. And then Jesus told his disciples to pray. That one's in here. And then a prayer that we can pray. So anyways, this is a great book to add to your repertoire of books. Give it a shot. Send it to a friend or family member that you know needs prayer, needs more in their life. Just check it out. And thanks. Be blessed.